Going on YouTube? It's the next day now. Just had a busy day yesterday. Out on another busy day. We're at this condo right on the beach in a real exclusive part of Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, right on the golf course. Got Andy here, out here doing it again. Another busy day. We're in this condo, tearing all the carpet out. Get the pad up after. Remove this furniture, carpet. Take the appliances out. Carpet in there, all this carpet. Cutting it all up into small pieces, bring it out that way, load it up on the truck, and we'll be gone. We're gonna get cutting, we'll check back in and show you what it looks like when we're all done. Cutting it up into sections, just like that. I already did most of it, he's doing his first sheet right here, so. Yeah. Come on, put some muscle into it. Really? Yeah. What a beautiful view. Can't get any better than this while working. So we got that, furniture, carpets out in the rooms, got it out in those rooms too. We just gotta get the padding. We're getting there. But look at that view. EJR. Got it all torn out. Brought the furniture down, the other stuff down. Now we just got the padding left and the appliances. Rooms are empty. Closets, everything's empty. Get all this down. Oh yeah, they're all empty. Bring the rest down and check back in. What's up, guys? Just finished up loading. Got everything out. Got the carpet torn up. All the rooms empty. Just got that last fridge. Got the other appliances all out, disassembled, taken apart. All gone. All the rugs. Everything out. Empty. All gone. We're coming out this way. Have the truck right down there. Right there. Fit it all in there with plenty of room left. Thanks for watching. We just did a quick video today. We got a bunch of other jobs to go to. Like and subscribe to our channel. Comment below, dislike, I don't care, as long as you do something. And we'll keep posting videos. Give us a call, 386-627-4071, extremedrunkremoval.com. Peace.